दो तीन
मैं
आपको
भी।
दो निकाल के दो खाने का जल्दी पापा अभी एक मेरे को 10 मिनट दीजिए 10 मिनट दीजिए मेरे को ओके मैं ये हो गया बाद आपके दे देता है रागी है जब तक आप रागी पी लीजिए
How did you get this idea of starting this?
See, every Saturday Sunday I used to get holidays
Okay.
so I used to come here for walking
Okay.
so at that time I got the idea
Okay.
I am saying you I keep this not for the business for earning
Yes.
I keep this for giving the healthy food to everyone and they have to know about this dish.
Okay.
This is the my main reason.
Okay.
And my mother and father have supported me. They have does not said that you are educated, you have done the MBA, why you are doing like this.
Yes.
They have supported me by the
Correct.
support of my parents, by the grace of God, alhamdulillah,
Yes.
I got this.
My God, because it is at a very reasonable price also.
Yeah, the price is reasonable.
Correct. And when did you have this for the first time as a child when you
From
were?
my childhood, my grandmother used to make this.
Okay.
In Corona, we have distributed so much
Okay.
to our neighbors, to everyone nearby my house and hospitals.
Yeah. No, there's so much of
मेरे
effort.
ग्रैंडमदर का है ये पूरा
Correct.
जो मेरे ग्रैंडमदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे हम लोग की फैमिली को पूरा खिलाते थे ये
Correct.
हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है मैम
Correct. And there's so much of effort involved, no?
सॉरी
There's so much of effort.
या
In you know, even slicing all those badam pieces.
Everything.
Yeah. My chia seeds. Wow.
you can take the reviews
Yes.
with my customers also.
Yes. Yeah. This is so
आपका
good.
इंस्टाग्राम पे देख के मैं आया सिकंदराबाद से।
Yes,
Thank
वही
you,
तो
thank you
सेम मैं भी मियापुर से आई हूँ. It's like
आपकी दुकान कहीं और है बोल के बोले पूरा एक
Yeah.
राउंड मारा मैं सिकंदराबाद में वॉकिंग करके यहाँ भी करा डबल
yes.
आपके
This is
दुकान
the
के लिए
date I am giving. You can see the size.
Yes.
See.
Correct. My God. You'll have to open more branches now. Every
what
part
he is
of
telling is it's
Yeah.
the initial thing we don't want to have commercial immediately maybe in
no.
future he may give some franchises or start his own shop later
oh, no.
First public want to know about this.
Yes.
awareness is important
See, they are giving 60-70 rupees and they are eating butter dosa like that.
Yeah.
Okay? It's much better than that.
Yes.
वाह लकड़ी के चमचे होना था नहीं है
Yeah.
चलो ठीक है
Correct. I can't wait to taste it and do the review on my page.
Sure.
So how much is each bowl for? I've already
See, this is from
the payment.
past 2 years onwards I am selling this.
Correct.
So I have started 50.
50.
Now I have kept the 10 rupees because the dry fruits rates are too high.
So from 50 it's become 60.
Yeah.
Okay.
पापा बगर मोस का
बगर मॉल बगर चैत का है
Okay.
एक
Oh,
और एक
thank
ये।
you so much.
और एक नॉर्मल
शेड नको आपको
हाँ शायद चाहिए और वो भी डालिए आप पाउडर डालें ना इसमें भी डालिए